Have you ever looked at a stock trading for just 13 cents and wondered, what if this is the next 10x winner? Today, we're analyzing Volato Group, ticker SOAR, a tiny airline stock that has caught the attention of penny stock traders. Is this a hidden gem? Or a stock you should completely ignore? Let's dive into the numbers. Volato Group operates in the private aviation industry. The company focuses on private jet, services, and aircraft management. Unlike major airlines, Volato targets premium customers looking for flexible private air travel. Although the business idea sounds exciting, investors must always separate a great story from a great investment. At the time of this analysis, stock price $0.138, down 6.69%, market cap only $7.34 million. A company this small is considered a micro-cap stock. Micro-cap stocks can deliver explosive gains, but they can also lose most of their value very quickly. Let's look at the fundamentals. Revenue, approximately $78.56 million. Net income, around $5.17 million. EPS, about $1.99. At first glance, these numbers look surprisingly strong. However, always remember that unusual accounting events or one-time gains can make earnings appear much stronger than the company's long-term business performance. Never rely on one metric alone. Now let's examine the chart. The technical indicators currently show strong sell. The stock continues making lower highs and lower lows. Trading volume is also much lower than the 30-day average. That means buyers are not showing strong confidence right now. Without strong buying pressure, it's difficult for a sustainable rally to begin. Here are the biggest risks. Extremely small market capitalization. Penny stock volatility. Weak technical trend. Low investor confidence. High probability of sharp price swings. This is not the type of stock suitable for conservative investors. Is there any opportunity? Yes. There could still be upside. If the company delivers strong business growth, if trading volume returns, if the stock breaks above major resistance, momentum traders could become interested again. But right now, those signals have not appeared. So, should investors ignore SOAR? For long-term investors, I would say yes. For now, the company needs stronger technical confirmation before becoming attractive. For experienced traders, SOAR may remain on the watch list, but only with strict risk management. Current rating, risk level 9.5 out of 10. Overall recommendation, watch, don't chase. What do you think? Is SOAR an overlooked opportunity or a penny stock value trap? Leave your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth stock analysis every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.